What the hell are you honking at?
I half expect that that's going to be the next moral panic will be high schoolers are trying to kill their teachers by deliberately infecting them with COVID or something. You watch and they'll fucking drag that.
Come on, go.
It's like manning a turret or getting a tank, things outside of the regular shooting. And to be honest, I had fun with everything. Flying a jet,
Hell, dude,
sneaking
come
around.
on.
Here in your inbox for the next 30 days only. Okay, so this time around, when we're looking at the Lasso
That guy's
playlist,
headlights
we are going
falling
to be
out,
running into
and
a
it's hanging on by
new
the
stall
wire.
set, which
Go catch the cops. Here we go. Round 2. And then
Xantium's shops being closed despite one of the NPCs stating that it was a bustling marketplace of 24/7 commerce. Well, even at the end, I heard that there was going to be a...
never gonna get right away. Okay, never mind. Holy shit. Uh-oh.
Manual recording will now start.
You must have been shitting bricks.
Still a poop from a bum. It kills in only 2 less shots than the original. That makes 11 headshots to kill somebody. And it's a bad gun for bad people.
Okay, really? He had a gap the size of a bus. Why did he take it?
It's got all the plastic and whatnot in it, but come on, that is about as close as a line.
Continue straight.
Let's try to take the real shot.
Those signs are ancient.
For Baker and Howland Island, which are part of a group known as the United States Minor Outlying Islands. These are the type of places you could land on and not see anyone for years.